Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime Thursdays. I am Miss Lauren and I am the children's librarian here at the Garfield Library, and today we are going to be talking about farm animals. So our book we're going to be reading is called Farmyard Beat, and it is by Lindsay Craig and it's illustrated by Mark Brown. So we got Farmyard Beat. See all the little animals there in the circles? We got peep, peep, peep. See the little chick hatching out of the egg? Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep. Chicks can't sleep because they got the beat. Peep, peep, peep. Peep, 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 peep. All the peeping wakes up. Let's see who they wake up. What are those? Sheep. We got sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep. Sheep can't sleep because they got that beat. What does sheep say? Oh, right down there. I'm sorry. So we got tat, tat, tatty, tat, 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 tatty, tat, tat. All that racket wakes up. So it looks like they had the sheep tap dancing, right? So they got their hoofs making those noises. What does sheep usually say? They say bah, right? So let's see who the sheep wake up. Oh, what is that? That a cat? So we got cat. Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep. Cat can't sleep because she's got the beat. We got, what does the cat say? So we got purr, meow, purr, meow. All that racket wakes up. Let's see where the cat wakes up. What are those? Cow! Cows can't sleep. Cows can't sleep. Cows can't sleep because they got that beat. So the cows are saying, what do cows usually say? Moo, right? But they got a swish, a clank, swish, swish, clank, swish, clank, swish, swish, clank. All that racket wakes up. Let's see who they're going to wake up. Oh, Hank. What does Hank look like? I think he's a dog, right? Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep. Hank can't sleep because he's got the beat. Yeah. What does a dog say? Yeah. Woof. How, woof, how. All that racket wakes up. Let's see. Oh. We got shh. Look who's coming. Uh-oh, who'd they all wake up? We got all the animals there. Farmer Sue. Sue can't sleep. Sue can't sleep 'cause she's heard that beat. Sue looks here. Sue looks there. No one here or anywhere. With a yawn, she thinks she'll go to sleep when... What do we got there again? The little chicks, right? So we got peep, 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 peep. Chicks can't help it. They've got that beat. Then, looks like everyone joins in. Tat, tat, tatty, tat, tat, tat. Purr, meow. Swish, clank, swish, swish, clank. Woof, how, hoo, hoo. Jig, jig, a jiggity jig. Everyone's dancing to that beat. Till they fall asleep in a heap. Asleep. Looks like everybody's tired now. Uh-oh. Who's that? Say it's the rooster, right? And what looks like it's coming up there? What do roosters do when they see the sun's coming up? They do cock-a-doodle-doo. I've got that beat. This looks like now it's daytime, right? Uh-oh. The end. Okay. So now we're going to sing a song. We're going to sing the bingo song. I think a lot of you who come to my story times know this song. So we're going to go. There was a farm who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farm who had a dog. Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, I-N-G-O, I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farm who had a dog. Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farm who had a dog. Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farm who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farm who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, very good, everyone. Well, I hope you had a great time, and we will see you next week. Bye.